Hey guys, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of this beautiful wall decor, that is the cow head. So let's get started. And please check the description box for the list of all the materials required. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. So for this, first I had taken this empty honey bottle. I think so this is 100 ml bottle. As I removed the sticker, it's very difficult for me to let you know the size of this. Mostly I think this is a 100 ml bottle, and for your understanding I had drawn this figure on a book, and actually this is the size of our bottle. So now we need to increase the sides and the mouth part, that is the bottom part. So now I am using this aluminium foil to make the shape. First I am increasing the bottom part, that is the mouth part. And now I am extending the sides. Attach more foil to increase the mouth portion. Now start covering the bottle with foil until you get the desired shape, and then start pressing the foil wherever it is required. You can see here I am pressing on the top to get the shape of the forehead. So now we are done with the head part. Now I'll be making the horns. Now stick the horns using hot glue. So now our basic structure is ready. Now I have taken this POP and mixing glue and water to make a fine paste. And now start applying the paste over the foil to cover it completely. You may need 2 to 3 coats. So this is the first coat. After this I am applying the second coat. After this I had applied one more coat. And one more thing guys, before it gets dried up completely, just wet your fingers to make the surface soft. So guys, totally I had applied 3 coats and this is how it looks. So now start forming the ears. Use any air dry clay or any homemade clay. Now start decorating the horns. And after that, we'll be decorating the forehead. So guys, this will be the design which we need to form using the clay. Apply glue and stick the clay. Once everything gets dried up completely, I'm using sandpaper to make the surface soft. So guys, you can see here after applying the sandpaper, the surface is very soft. After that, apply white acrylic paint. Now start coloring the face with your desired colors. Here I'm using shades of blue. Now merge both the colors using sponge. This gives a perfect finish. And now for the horns, I am applying deep purple. Again, use your sponge to dab it to get a perfect finish. So here you can see guys, I had drawn eyes using pencil, measuring the center. Start painting them. So finally I'm using this white 3D outliner to draw small flowers and leaves. So guys, now our designing part is ready. To hang this to a wall, I had attached a rope using Fevibond. This is a strong glue. I left it overnight. And finally, seal your project with a good varnish. I am using this gloss varnish from Itsy Bitsy. That's it guys, our beautiful wall decor is ready. And it's looking vibrant, right? And guys, if you like this project, please give it a thumbs up and share your views in the comment section below. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the future notifications. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.